Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about Dividend Aristocrats explained, and why many long-term investors love them. First, Dividend Aristocrats are companies in the S&P 500 that have increased their dividend payments every year for at least 25 consecutive years. This means they have rewarded shareholders not just once or twice, but consistently through many different market conditions. Now, the reason these companies matter is because they often show strong financial discipline, stable cash flow, and a shareholder-friendly mindset. When a company can keep raising dividends through recessions, inflation, interest rate changes, and market cycles, it can build more confidence among investors. To qualify as a dividend aristocrat, a company usually needs to be a member of the S&P 500, increase dividends for 25 or more straight years, meet size and liquidity requirements, and remain financially strong enough to continue rewarding shareholders. Next, investors love these stocks because they can provide reliable income. Instead of only depending on stock price growth, investors may receive regular dividend payments. In addition, many dividend aristocrats are mature and stable companies, so they may have lower volatility compared to many fast-growing stocks. Furthermore, dividends can become more powerful when they are reinvested. For example, an investor can use dividend payments to buy more shares, and then those extra shares can generate even more dividends over time. This is how compounding can slowly support long-term wealth building. After that, investors usually use dividend aristocrats in a simple way. They buy shares of a quality company, collect dividends, reinvest the payments or use them as income, and then aim to grow their portfolio over many years. However, it is important to remember that past dividend growth does not guarantee future results. Some dividend aristocrats can become overvalued, and a high dividend yield alone does not mean a stock is safe. Investors still need to study the company's fundamentals before making any decision. So, before evaluating one, investors may look at the dividend growth rate, payout ratio, earnings, cash flow, debt level, valuation, and industry outlook. These factors help investors understand whether the company can continue paying and increasing dividends in the future. For example, imagine a company that earns steady profits every year and slowly increases its dividend over decades. As the dividend per share rises, investors may benefit from growing income while also holding a strong long-term business. In the end, dividend aristocrats are popular because they combine income, durability, and long-term discipline. That is why many long-term investors see them as attractive stocks for building stable wealth over time. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.